Baby high chairs are an essential item for any family with young children. There are many products available to choose baby high chairs, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best baby high chairs from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Inglesina Fast Table Chair. The Inglesina Fast Table Chair is a portable and collapsible baby high chair that can be attached to most dining tables up to 3.5 inches thick without leaving any scratches. It is easy to clean and comes with a handy storage pocket for immediate access to wipes, toys, snacks, and more. It is ideal for babies and toddlers between 6 and 36 months and up to 37 pounds. A must-have accessory, the Fast Dining Tray Plus, is available separately for mess-free mealtimes. Number 2. Chico Zest 4 in 1 Folding High Chair. The Chico Zest High Chair is a versatile 4-in-1 solution that adapts as your child grows. It functions as a high chair, low feeding chair, toddler chair, and youth stool, accommodating kids up to 60 pounds. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to move around your kitchen, while the space-saving tray storage ensures convenience. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the sleek one-piece seat and removable BPA-free tray. Additionally, the removable leg extensions allow you to adjust the chair for various uses, whether it's for feeding, playing, or sitting as a sturdy stool for older children. Number 3. Ingenuity Full Course 6-in-1 High Chair. The Ingenuity High Chair is designed to make mealtime easier for you and your little one. It features 6 different modes, allowing it to adapt as your child grows, from a first foods chair to a toddler seat. The dual tray system includes a mini tray for smaller meals, promoting bonding while minimizing mess. With 2 reclining positions, your baby can enjoy comfort during feedings. Plus, the high chair comes equipped with a 5-point safety harness, ensuring your child is secure while they eat. Number 4. 3-in-1 Convertible Wooden High Chair. The Malify Convertible High Chair prioritizes your child's safety and comfort with its sturdy A-frame design and adjustable features. The 5-point harness ensures your little one is secure while eating. The 3-position tray allows you to customize the eating experience, accommodating your growing baby. Crafted from smooth hardwood and BPA-free materials, this chair is gentle on your child's skin. Additionally, cleaning is a breeze with a dishwasher-safe tray and removable seat belt. This stylish chair not only serves a practical purpose, but also enhances your home decor with its modern look. Number 5. Graco Duodiner DLX 6-in-1 High Chair. The Graco Duodiner DLX 6-in-1 High Chair is a great choice for parents looking for a versatile and comfortable high chair for their baby. It is designed to grow with your child, with 6 stages from infant high chair to seating 2 kids at once. It has a 3-position recline for baby's comfort, a machine-washable seat pad, and an infant booster that attaches to a dining room chair. It is easy to clean and is very sturdy. Customers have been very pleased with this product, though some have noted that the cover is difficult to remove for washing and that the chair is made short and narrow.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.